So what an unbelievable opportunity to purchase a lovely Audi S3. 2017 67 S3, finished in Mythos Black. Now this car, we operate live pricing here at Ackley, I'm sure you're aware of that. When we've advertised this car today, we're going to price it at 24,990. That's without adding the extra specification this car's got. It could be too cheap. It's 24,990 right now, so if you are interested, get in touch straight away. This car's got panoramic roof, it's got keyless entry, it's only done 27,000 miles, it's got a full Audi service history, and it's an awesome car. It's absolutely incredible condition all round. The way the car's been looked after, full Audi history, 3 services so far, 27,000 miles. It's incredible because the condition is one of the best I've seen, it really is. So it's a 67 plate. The car's got the biggest extra that we all think here at Ackley for the Audi S3. It's got the sunroof. It's a 2 litre petrol engine, 4-wheel drive, 300 brake horsepower, 4-door, so it's a Sportback. It's a great colour, Mythos Black for the car. This has also got the red brake calipers, the 18-inch polished and titanium wheels. The wheels are completely immaculate. I mean, this car, if you look around it, the video should show you how lovely it is, especially because the car's black. It's gorgeous. Don't forget the service history is right. So if you're looking to buy one of these cars, always try and buy one with the right history. This one's got it. It's privacy glass to the rear. It's got the lovely LED rear light. It's also got rear parking sensors. But look at it at the back. Even the exhaust, everything's crisp. It's beautiful. The lovely S3 rear diffuser. You know, you've got the dynamic indicators and things, but inside, it's beautiful as well. You've got the space, you've got the split folding seats. You've got another little feature which is nice. You've got the Audi rings to entry level, but this car's got keyless entry as well, which is lovely. Audi rings to entry level, full fine black Napa leather inside. It's S-Tronic, it's keyless start. It's beautiful. Biggest option is the sunroof, but don't forget this car, driving capabilities, traction, performance, speed, it's got everything. It's a stunning car to drive, and then this has got some nice convenience features which everyone's going to enjoy. The sunroof is a fabulous option. Coming into the summertime, it's a great thing you're gonna love. So look at the car from the driver's side as well. Flat bottom steering wheel, again 27,000 miles on the clock. You've got heated electric door mirrors. You've got the S-Tronic gearbox, heated front seats, sat nav, all those beautiful things you'd expect. So jumping in, keyless entry is a big thing, you don't usually get that. It's also got keyless start, another big thing. That's not standard on one of these cars. Do you know what? It's got adaptive cruise control, this car. Wow, I've never seen an S3 with adaptive cruise. So this car will keep its distance from the car in front. That is a ginormous option on the car, which I didn't even know until I've just jumped in. It's just a stunning car, it really is. I think 24,990 is probably underpricing this car, but just go and buy it. Come and buy it. It's just the best available. Sat nav, Bluetooth. We've even got Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, heated front seats, digital climate control. Again, an S3, the driving capabilities are awesome. Popping the car into dynamic comfort mode. There's loads of different driving modes for this car. 7-speed automatic gearbox. The S-Tronic gearbox in these cars is phenomenal. You've also got semi-automatic gearbox. You've got the paddle shift to drive this car to its full capacity. 300 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive. One of the best hot hatches you can buy. These cars fly out with us. I don't think we've had one as nice as this for a little while because it's got the sunroof. Now it's got the adaptive cruise. It's done such low miles. It's full Audi service history. 24,990. If you're looking to finance one of these, it'll be cheap. It'll be so cheap at our finance of 6.9% APR. I really, really think this car's going to sell so fast in black, with the right specification, right service history. What a car it is. Just give us a call. Thanks for watching.